Can a vinyl pool liner melt? Like, I mean, I'm looking right at it. It looks like it's melted. How could that be? It can actually happen, and it can happen from the sunlight being reflected off of high efficiency windows. The windows reflect a lot of sunlight, and that sunlight can concentrate, kind of like a magnifying glass, and it can absolutely cause damage to homes in general. And vinyl siding is particularly susceptible to damage from these reflected windows and concentrated sun. Vinyl swimming pool liners are the same thing, and not only can get hot enough to kind of melt whatever, I've seen videos online of them actively smoking from reflecting sun from your windows or perhaps your neighbor's windows. So if this is happening to you, the remedy solution is to apply a window film of some kind. That's typically speaking the solution to it, and a little bit of Google foo, and you'll find yourself an answer. If you're wondering, I don't understand why this is happening now. You have to remember that with the way that the sun is passing over your house, that angle changes over time. It's not the same thing every day all year long. And so it could be that this is the first time since those windows have been installed that you've had the August 15th sun coming on that specific angle. And on that specific day, it was the right set of circumstances to allow that sun's rays to concentrate on your vinyl liner, melting, burning, damaging it. It can absolutely ruin your liner. It's something you have to be careful of. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.